Hello everyone, welcome to So Simple Maths channel once again. Today I am taking a question from the chapter Quadratic Equation. It is 5-mark question. Most of the children feel the train questions are difficult. That's why I have chosen one train question here. I am going to explain in detail to avoid all your doubts. Listen to me carefully. Here I have taken one question. A train travels at a certain average speed for a distance of 63 kilometers and then travels at a distance of 72 kilometers at an average speed of 6 kilometers per hour more than its original speed. If it takes 3 hours to complete the total journey, what is the original average speed of the train? This is the question. So, how to find out original average speed here? Let us see now. First, I will write what is given in the question. Distance is given 63 kilometers. I am writing solution. 63 kilometers and another distance 72 kilometers is there. This is second case. Let us take here 72 kilometers and the train travels at a certain average speed that we don't know. So let us take it as x, let it be x kilometer per hour. Now, while traveling a distance of 72 kilometers, its speed is 6 kilometer per hour more, he is saying. So, original average speed is x and now 6 kilometer more means we have to add 6 kilometer per hour to x. So, this is the speed while covering a distance 72 kilometers. And he says it takes 3 hours to the complete total journey. So he has given time. In both the cases we have to take time. Total journey means here we have to take total time taken for the journey. So let us say time taken in first case is t1 and time taken in second case is t2. We know the formula s is equal to d by t. Speed is equal to distance by time. Here I am calculating time, so t is equal to d by s. This is the formula. So t is equal to distance by speed now. Distance is 63 kilometers and speed is x kilometers per hour goes to the numerator and it becomes into hour. Then kilometer cancels. So time taken is 63 by x hours in the first case. Second case again time we are calculating distance by speed. Distance is here 72 kilometers and speed is x plus 6 kilometer per hour. Hour goes to the numerator. Kilometer cancels. So time taken in second case is 72 by x plus 6 hours. Now, according to the question, what he has given, if it takes 3 hours to complete the total journey, that means 63 kilometers as well as 72 kilometers. For 63 kilometers, it has taken 63 by x hours. For 72 kilometers, it has taken 72 by x plus 6. So, total journey means total time we have to calculate. So, time taken for total journey is t1 plus t2. So, this is equal to t1 plus t2. How much time is taken? 3 hours taken. So, if we add time taken in both the cases, we are going to get 3 hours. What is the time taken in first case? 63 by x. Here don't consider unit for calculation. and T2 is 72 by x plus 6 is equal to 3. Don't take hours. Now from this we will going to get a quadratic equation. You have to reduce this to the quadratic equation. Factorize the quadratic equation. You will going to get factors. When you equate those two factors to 0, you will going to get the x value. That x is nothing but original average speed. So now let us see how to simplify this. Now I will going to take LCM. LCM is x into x plus 6 because they are fractions. So x into x plus 6. Here x cancels, we have to multiply by x plus 6. Here x plus 6 cancels, we should multiply this by x is equal to 3. So this is 63 into x plus 6. 63 into x is 63x plus 63 into 6. 6 3 is 18. 1 carry. 6 6 is 36. 1 37. 378 plus 72 into x is 72x. Now transpose this denominator to that side. 63x plus 72x. 135x. 135x plus 378 is equal to 3 into x plus 6. So this is 135x plus 378 is equal to, multiply here, 3x into x is 3x square plus 3 6 is 18x. X square term should be first in the quadratic equation. That's why I will write RHS as LHS, LHS as RHS. When we change entire things from RHS to LHS, LHS to RHS, there will be no change in the sign. 135x plus 378. Now bring all one side to get a quadratic equation. This is 3x square plus 18x minus 135x minus 378 is equal to 0. I am transposing this and this both to the left side. So sign changes. Now 3x square plus 18x minus 135x. Opposite signs are there. Sign of the greater number. These are like terms. We can simplify. So we will get 117x minus 378 is equal to 0. We have to solve this quadratic equation. Now we can reduce. All the terms are divisible by 3. So each and every term you can divide by 3. So 3 cancels. This is x square minus 3 1 ja 3. 3 3 ja 9. 2 remaining 27. 3 9 ja 27. 3 1 ja 3. 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6. 1 remaining 3 6 ja 18. And 0 divided by 3 is 0. So this is x square reduced to x square minus 39x minus 126 is equal to 0. Now we are multiplying first term and last term. I am explaining factorization. X square into minus 126. So this is minus 126 x square, plus into minus is minus. And what are the factors of 126? You can go for prime factorization. 126, 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3, 3 7 ja 21. Now we have to arrange to get 39x. See now, 7 2 ja 14, 14 3 ja 42. So 42 and this into 3. I will take these factors. 42 minus 3 becomes 39 here. So x square, this here 42, 3. So now minus 39 I have to get. When we are subtracting here, you should write this sign for the greater number, this minus sign, and opposite sign for small number. X square is there, so x. So minus into plus minus, 42 3 is 126, x into x square, and minus 42x plus 3x, sign of the greater number minus, and the difference is 39x. So now we have to replace this by these two terms, minus 42x plus 3x minus 126 is equal to 0. Group these two terms take common. Here x is common. X square means x into x. So 1x is common. So another x is remained, minus, here x is common, only 42 will remain, plus, here 3 is common. So x, what sign is there? That only you take minus. Now 3 4 ja 12, 3 2 ja 6, 42 will remain. Because this can be written as 3 into 42. So 3 will be common, 42 will remain. Now in these two, x minus 42, x minus 42, common. Once again we have to take common and write remaining in another bracket, x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now when the product of these two is 0, either x minus 42 must be 0 or x plus 3 should be 0. Then in this case x is equal to 42, 0 plus 42 is 42, x is equal to minus 3. We are transposing it that side, sign becomes minus. Now what is x? X is the original average speed. So speed will never be negative. Speed will never be negative. Therefore, x is equal to minus 3 is neglected. We have to neglect negative value. So, therefore, original average speed of the train is equal to, positive value is 42. So, 42 kilometer per hour. This is the answer. So what you have to do? You are taking distance, then speed you don't know. So you will take it as x kilometer per hour. Calculate the time in first case. Similarly, you write second case. Calculate the time. Now according to the question he has given, total time taken is 3 hours. So T1 plus T2 is equal to 3 hours. When you write this, you will going to get the quadratic equation. Simplify the quadratic, factorize the quadratic equation. You will going to get two factors, equate them to 0. You will get two values. Negative value is neglected because speed will not be negative. So positive value we will take. Original average speed of the train is 42 km per hour. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Like it, subscribe it. Thank you.